Hello, this is Durant at VeniceForVisitors.com with another in a series of walking directions to hotels in Venice, Italy. Today's destination is the Hotel Arlecchino. You'll start your walk in the Piazzale Roma, which is the gateway for motorized traffic other than trains arriving in Venice. Right here, straight ahead of us, is the People Mover station in the bottom of a large parking garage. The People Mover is an automated tram that comes from the Maritima cruise terminals and the Tronchetto parking island. And sweeping around here slowly, you'll see more parking garages and buses. Right now, a bus is arriving from Venice Marco Polo Airport. And there's another one parked up here right ahead of us already that goes to Treviso Airport. And here it comes, the airport bus. If you're coming from Marco Polo Airport, you'll probably arrive on that ATVO airport shuttle from the airport. And farther ahead, you'll see trees. And that's where you'll probably be walking if you're going to a hotel in Venice. As you leave the airport bus, cross the street in front of the bus to the tram station. Watch out for buses as you cross. Immediately turn right onto the first platform and walk toward the trees ahead of you. At the end of the platform, cross zebra stripe. Watch out for buses. Walk straight ahead toward the stone bridge. And don't cross the bridge. Instead, turn right immediately before the bridge. Walk past the gondola station and the snack bar. And continue walking past the newsstand. Keep walking along the water and bear left when you see another snack bar and a rather complicated set of bridges on your left. When you reach this bridge, you're going to go straight ahead, crossing the bridge to the other side. Follow the lady in the black coat and the purple hat. You'll see the Hotel Arlecchino ahead of you. Keep walking. Go down the steps. About halfway, you'll see a street leading to your right. Go to your right, under the arches here. Past the side of the Arlecchino. And the entrance to the hotel will be on your left and around the corner with a big sign saying Hotel Arlecchino. And here we are. For more step-by-step walking directions with maps, go to VeniceHotelDirections.com. For a complete travel guide to Venice, Italy, see VeniceForVisitors.com.